Welcome back to 10 Slide Info. From the beginning, Sweden has been pushing India to select their Gripen fighter, and even after giving many offers and options, it never got any required support. Even though Gripen is not in Indian Air Force fleet, many defense lovers feel it would be a good fighter to be present in Indian Air Force. We have already done few comparison of this fighter along with others to understand its unique power and capability. Let's come back to the Rafale fighter induction. India officially inducted the first 5 Rafale fighters into Indian Air Force Golden Arrows number 17 Squadron on September 10, 2020. French Defense Minister Florence were present along with other top executives during this official induction ceremony. So at this time, I thought it would be a good idea to compare the Rafale fighter with the other strong contender of MMRCA 2.0, which is the Gripen fighter. So as usual, let's begin the comparison with the definition of these aircrafts. Rafale is a twin-engine, Canard Delta Wing, multi-role fighter aircraft designed and built by Dassault Aviation of France. Rafale is an expert fighter in performing air supremacy, interdiction, ground support, in-depth strike, anti-ship strike and nuclear deterrence missions. Coming to Gripen. Gripen is a unique single-engine multi-role fighter which is manufactured by Swedish aerospace company Saab. This fighter brings a perfect balance between excellent operational performance, high-tech solutions, cost efficiency and easy technical integration. Coming to the general characteristics. If you see the general characteristics, most of the parameters are in favor of Rafale fighters, but these characteristics alone does not decide the efficiency of aircraft, so let us continue with other parameter comparisons. Coming to the performance parameters. The performance parameters are almost similar to each other, and the range of Gripen E can obviously be increased using the mid-air refueling, so that is not a constraint here. Let us go ahead with engine details of these fighters. Dassault Rafale is powered by two Snegma M88-2 turbofan engine with 50.04 kN dry thrust and 75 kN thrust with afterburner. The Saab Gripen E is powered with a single General Electric RM16 afterburning turbofan engine with 98 kN thrust with afterburner. The GE RM16 is a variant of F414 GE engines. Coming to the avionics, the Rafale's glass cockpit was designed around the principle of data fusion. A central computer selects and prioritizes the information which needs to be displayed to pilots for simpler command and control. All the vital avionics of Rafale comes from Thales Group like RBE-2 AA AESA radar, the Spectra electronic warfare system, the infrared search and track systems. Coming to Gripen E, these fighters features a digital cockpit with 3 large multifunctional displays, and the cockpit also features a hands-on throttle and stick. This provides a superior situational awareness for the pilot. These fighters are also equipped with Selex ES-05 Raven AESA radar, which is fitted at the nose of the aircraft, and due to this it provides an angular field of view of 100-degree and look behind capabilities. The passive infrared search and track sensor, which is fitted to the aircraft, is the Skyward G supplied by Selex. It also has Anvis advanced night vision system, heads-up display and also a Targo helmet mounted display. Coming to the major armaments, Rafale has one 30mm Giat M791 autocannon with 125 rounds, and Rafale has 14 hardpoints. These Rafale fighters are equipped with wide variety of deadly weapons and missiles, and to name a few are the MBDA Meteor, which is an active radar guided beyond visual range air-to-air missile. The other one to mention here is the MBDA Scalp, the MBDA Apache, the MBDA Mica missiles. In addition to that, it can also carry MBDA AM-39 Exocet anti-ship missiles. Coming to bombs, it can carry bombs like Mark 82, GBU-12 Paveway 2 laser-guided bombs. The Gripen fighter has one 27mm Mosher BK-27 revolver gun with 120 rounds. Gripen fighter has 10 hard points. The air-to-air missiles on the Gripen E fighter includes the infrared-guided short-range IRIS-T missile and the Meteor missile, which is a beyond visual range air-to-air missile. It can also be equipped with AGM-65 Maverick air-to-ground missile and KEPD-350 air-launched cruise missiles. Coming to bombs, it can carry bombs like GBU-12 Paveway 2 laser-guided bomb, BK-90 cluster bomb, Mark 82 bombs and GBU-39 small diameter bombs. So if we see the main aspect, the Rafale fighters are proven machines and it has proved its role and power in Afghanistan, Libya and Syria. Saying all above points about Rafale doesn't mean that Gripen is not up to the mark. Even Gripen is a powerful and proven fighter, but Indian Air Force showed more interest against Rafale, and one of the reasons is Saab's mistake to have weapons dealing with Pakistan. So that was a quick high-level comparison between Dassault Rafale of Indian Air Force and Saab's Gripen. Thanks for watching. I'll upload another video with a new defense update or an aviation update later. Please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell button next to it, and also feel free to leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you.